In this video, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PC. So what I'm going to show you in this video. The very first step you need to do, make sure you turn on your Bluetooth. Turn on your Bluetooth, whether a headphone or an earpod or a speaker. So turn it on. So we are using headphone for an example in this video. So go to your Bluetooth and devices. So this is what I've done previously. So if you look right here, you're going to be able to see my headphone. This is P9. So this is my headphone. So if you love to connect your Bluetooth, once you have turned on your headphone Bluetooth, just tap on this add device. You're going to see Bluetooth device, so tap on it. So you're going to be able to find the option where your Bluetooth device is going to come out. So if you have any nearby Bluetooth device, it's going to come out from this option. So it's going to come out. So what you need to do first, you need to turn on your Bluetooth of your PC so as it can be able to pair. So you can see it's currently paired and it's connected. So this is mine. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe.